Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Edifier WH500 with your MacBook. First of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, just be sure that your headphones are turned off. And right now, let me just catch focus. Okay, right now we have to use this button when our headphones are turned off. Click and hold this button for 6 seconds until this indicator starts blinking. Keep holding. There we go. It is blinking blue. So right now they are in the pairing mode, so they will be visible to other devices. Just go to the system settings and go for the Bluetooth. Then turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and from the nearby devices list, just select the Edifier WH500. As you can see, when we are successfully connected, you can also go for the sound settings, where you can check the input and the output device. Just be sure that your headphones are selected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.